Hello kids! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new to my channel, just click like and subscribe. Today we're going to take up about area of irregular figures. What are irregular figures? So these are polygons that does not have equal sides or equal angles. We have here example of irregular figures. A hexagon, a dodecagon, a heptagon, a pentagon, and another hexagon. So these are polygons with 5 or more sides with different lengths. How are you going to find the area of these irregular figures? To find for the area of irregular figures, we have some steps to be followed. Look at this example. This is an example of irregular figure. How are you going to get for the area of this figure? What are you going to do? So let's follow the steps so that we can get for the answer. Number 1, you're going to divide or cut the figures into squares and rectangles. Okay, so we divided this irregular figure into two parts. We call the first part as our figure A and the second part as our figure B. Okay, next step, you're going to find the area of each square and rectangle made. Look at figure A. Can you tell me what shape is that? Yes, that is a square. And how are you going to get for the area of a square? Can you still remember the formula in finding for the area of a square? Very good. So all you need to do is you're going to multiply side times side. So can you tell me the measurement of one side of that square? Yes, it is equal to 6 meters. And if one side is equal to 6 meters, of course, the other side is also equal to 6 meters. And if we're going to multiply 6 times 6, can you tell me the product of the two numbers? Very good. So that is equal to 36 square meters. So this will be the area of figure A. Now let's proceed to the area of figure B. Can you tell me what shape is figure B? Very good. So this is a rectangle. And can you still remember the formula in finding for the area of a rectangle? Yes, that is correct. All you need to do is you're going to multiply the length and the width. So the length here is equal to 9 meters and the width is equal to 2 meters. And if you're going to multiply 9 times 2, can you tell me the answer? Very good. So that is equal to 8 square meters. Remember, kids, that if you're going to write for the answer, when you're going to find for the area of a certain figure, you need to express your answer in square units. So 8 square meter is the area of figure B. Now let's proceed to the next step. You're going to add now the area of square and rectangle made. So what are you going to do? Total area of this irregular figure is equal to figure A plus figure B. So figure A here is equal to 36 square meters plus the area of figure B, which is equal to 18 square meters. And if you're going to put that together, 36 plus 18 is equal to 54 square meters. So this is the total area of this irregular figure. Okay, so we have here another option on how are you going to get for the area of this irregular figure. We have here solution number 2. We're going to follow again the steps on how are we going to get for the area of this irregular figure. Divide or cut the figures into squares and rectangles. So you can cut this irregular figure this way. So we divided again this irregular figure into two parts. So the first part, we can call this as figure A, and the second part is figure B. Let's proceed to the second step. We're going to find the area of each square and rectangle made. But look at figure A. Can you tell me what shape is figure A? Yes, very good. This is a rectangle. And to get for the area of a rectangle, all we need to do is we're going to multiply the length and the width. So the length here is equal to 6 meters and the width is equal to 8 meters. And if we're going to multiply the two numbers, the answer is equal to Exactly, that is equal to 48 square meters. So we expressed again the unit of measure into a square units. Okay, so 48 square meter is the area of figure A. Now let's solve for the area of figure B. Can you tell me what shape is this? Yes, this is a rectangle. And we can solve the area of figure B by using the formula length times width. So length here is equal to 3 meters and the width is equal to 2 meters. Okay, and if we're going to multiply 3 and 2, the answer is equal to... Exactly, that is equal to 6 square meters. So always express your answer in square units every time that you are solving for the area of any plane figure. So 6 square meters is the area of figure B. Now let's proceed to the last step. You're going to add the areas of square and rectangle made. So to get for the total area of this irregular figure, all you need to do is you're going to add the area of figure A and figure B. So figure A is equal to 48 square meters plus the area of figure B, which is equal to 6 square meters. If we're going to put that together, the answer is equal to 54 square meters. So this is now the total area of this irregular figure. Now let's compare solution number 1 that we did a while ago and the answer for our solution number 2. So solution number 1, we divided the irregular figure this way. So we have the area of figure A, which is equal to 36 square meters, and the area of figure B, which is equal to 18 square meters. So the total area is equal to 54 square meters. While in solution number 2, we divided the irregular figures this way. We have this figure A, which is equal to 48 square meters, and figure B is equal to 6 square meters. And if we're going to put that together, the answer is equal to 54 square meters. Look at solution number 1 and solution number 2. Is there any difference in their answer? Yes, there is no difference in their answer. They have equal answer. So whether you're going to use solution number 1 or solution number 2, still you will arrive with the same answer. So there is no problem regarding about the solution that you're going to do. Okay? The important there is you got the correct answer. Did you understand now? How are you going to solve for the irregular figure? Finding for the area of the irregular figure? Yes, of course. All you need to do is you're going to follow the steps on how are you going to solve for the irregular figures. Okay? So I hope that you learned something today regarding about this topic that we discussed. Okay, see you again next time. Bye!